Thetan Arena. Earn $100 per hour with play to earn crypto gaming. Are you bored of your daily work routine and you feel like you need to spend more time with your friends playing games? We've brought you a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity where you can play games with your friends and earn money at the same time. Hey guys, welcome to Step by Step Crypto, your favorite crypto channel. Here, we take you step by step towards a deeper understanding of the crypto world. In today's video, we'll talk about Thetan Arena and how you can earn $100 per hour. Before we begin, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you will not miss out on the chance of playing games with friends and earning money at the same time. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. Thetan Arena is a multiple online battle arena or Moba and battle royale game type of game that is based on blockchain technology. The game was released in November 2021. Ever since then, the popularity of their game has continued to increase as it is free to play as a game in which you can earn lots of money. The game is free to download, and as you enter the game, you will get to choose one character among three. First is Cluster, which is a sort of sniper or marksman of the game, has weapons that has a large range. Radon is an assassin hero, having a shotgun who eliminates enemies with combos, so the effect is sharp, but the weapon is close range. And the third is Breaker. It's a tank which has the highest health but lower range. These are the three basic free characters that you can choose from in the beginning, but with that you will also pay to unlock different characters having different abilities. The interesting thing about the characters is that there are multiple free characters available in-game, but when a player enters the game at a very beginning, he will get the option to choose one character from randomly selecting three characters. So not every player will get the same three characters. And when they start a game, this adds a lot of spice to the game, as more characters bring more unique abilities. Once you select your avatar, put in all the details that you can, enter the lobby, and play with the players around the world. The online games are free to join, and they're quite similar to that of League of Legends. Thetan has a similar ranking system as almost all games. The more you win, the more trophies you get. There are milestones along the way after the certain number of trophies, and if you reach there by collecting trophies, you get to unlock the rewards for the milestone, which can be in form of THC or Thetan coin. The more trophies you win, the more massive rewards win, and from that, you can make plenty of money. Thetan Arena is an online blockchain that is introduced by the game platform itself. All the rewards you achieve in-game are in the form of Thetan Arena or THG. The total supply of Thetan Arena is about 420 million, and to this date the currency tops with $6.7, and the 24-hour trading volume is a massive $3.5 million. The current exchange for the Thetan Arena is around $6.70, with a rough increase of 0.20% in just 24 hours, according to experts. This can be one of the emerging markets in the near future. So with earning money via game, you can also focus on the trade growth of the blockchain, giving you more profits. Game modes in Thetan Arena. Thetan Arena includes 5 modes for players to compete, either independently with random users or making a team with your friends. The gameplay modes include Superstar. In this mode, 8 players will compete with each other to collect match points. Mother Starship is the character that keeps on producing the game points. One player in a single game can collect up to 50 points. Tower Siege. In this mode, you can play with your friends. Each team has 4 players that are given a tower to defend. Your goal is to defend your tower and destroy the enemy tower. You can play this game with your friends and make multiple strategies. Battle Royale. In this mode, 12 players compete with each other. The game will be on for just 4 minutes like any other Battle Royale game, and the Battle Arena will keep decreasing in area as the time progresses. The last one standing will be the winner. Deathmatch. This mode is all about eliminating other players in as little time as possible. The game will stay on for 3 minutes, and in those, the team of 4 players will battle against each other. This mode also allows you to play with your friends online. Custom Battle. The best feature of the game is the custom battle, which will be dependent on the player. Players can customize their battle in any mode above, the number of players, and on any map desired by the player. Now let's look at how will you get paid. Thetan Arena's most essential feature is that it allows users to earn real money while playing the game, but it's not as simple as it appears. The game does not allow users to earn money through playing. However, the amount earned is dependent on different criteria. Thetan Arena features two currencies, Thetan Coin, that's THC, and Thetan Gem, that's THG. When a player wins a game, they are given THC and THG. Essentially, this is the game mechanics for rewarding players, with THC being able to be traded on an internet marketplace. The mechanism is built on the Binance crypto network, which most people find to be smooth and straightforward to use. Using any one of the heroes, you can play multiple games and earn trophies, and those you can unlock milestones. The trophies will also determine the rank of the player. The important point about the ranks is that the ranks include Recruit, Private, Bronze, Silver, and Gold. The higher you go, the higher will be the reward in form of either THC or THG. You will not be able to cash in the THC and THG on the Recruit rank or Private rank. Once you reach the Bronze rank, you'll be able to cash in all the THC or THG you have gathered along the way. The gaming currency can also be traded for getting multiple boxes in the game. There are currently limitations on the trading that is classified that can be done from Thetan Arena. Pay-to-play characters. Characters can also be bought from the marketplace. Each character will have their unique abilities. You can purchase these characters using real money or game money as well. The characters can come via 3 types of boxes: common, epic, and legendary. The dropping of these boxes will depend on how rare the character is, but if players are not opting to go for their luck, they can directly buy the characters they like from the gaming platform using game money or real money. The more unique the character is, the more bonus it provides after winning a game. Getting a better character also means you will be able to play more games per day. For a typical example, a common mythical character can give you a maximum of 253 THC battles and almost 16 battles per day. However, a legendary mythic can provide you 1026 THC battles and 22 battles per day. It's very important for you to keep in mind that a particular hero can only earn you THC to the limit which is specified in the description. For example, a legendary character with rare skin can earn you THC for 923 battles. With each day you can play 20 battles, so after 923 battles you can still use the character, but you'll not be able to earn any THC after that. So before buying any character, it's important to know the character's potential, trophy class, and other parameters. Another interesting thing about the game is depending on the particular character, you'll be able to earn even when you lose, although the earning will be much smaller and it'll waste one potential game of the character. This game is an awesome opportunity for gamers across the world. To earn more money, it's important to constantly win in this game, for which you can initially go for free available characters to get used to the game. Once you get better, you can earn almost $100 per day just playing with your friends. Now, this is truly a dream come true. This is all for today. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel if you want to receive more videos like this in the future. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.